Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss here the project domains in computer science and IT engineering. So in the series of project, I am Pankaj Gaikwad working in the capacity of project coordinator since last 6th year. So we'll start with today's discussion. Today we are going to discuss here the main two agendas. One, the major project domain, and second, some of the sample projects title under each domain. So we'll start this. Everyone knows the project module has the maximum weightage in university curriculum as well as in the campus recruitment process. If you have seen your previous batch, so you mostly find in the campus recruitment the majorly questions are asked on your project. So it is always better to have a clear understanding of your project. To begin with the project module, we need to understand its domain. Then we need to understand the problem statement that you have dig out from the domain, and then its impact, or you can say the advantage of your project title. Okay, so to begin with, in this video we are going to discuss some of the basic project domains which are listed here. As like you are able to see here, Android app development, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, networking, image processing, and web development. Remember, these are some basic project domains, but which are not limited to. There are more advanced domains are available, like cloud computing, its security related issues, then virtual reality, augmentation, RPA. So these are the most advanced trends in the industries. So we'll discuss in the next video. As your project is playing a vital role in the campus recruitment and in the university curriculum, one should not implement this project for the sake of submission to the university, as it is mandated by the university, right? So you need to take utmost care, because it plays a very important role for your campus placement. So the first key factor is industry demand. Let's say you have one dream company where you want to get placed, right? So for this case, you need to go for the products of that company. You need to dig out what are the domains where the company is working. Let's say there may be a company which is focused towards only Android app development. There may be a company where the automation is in the progress, or the product are based on the automation, where the products are based on the Internet of Things services. Okay, likewise you need to first understand the demand of industry. The second factor is your personal interest. See, we have a dream, but if we are not able to chase it, that means if you don't find any interest, again it is of no use. So your interest, again with the demand, plays important role. Next key factor is skill set. Already in the academic, your groups are formed for the project implementation, right? So what is happening, all the members, the skills of all the members. Someone is good in the programming, someone is good in the collecting the information, collecting the data, someone is good in presenting, and someone good in the preparing report or preparing presentations. Okay, all those kind of skill sets are very essential for the project. Okay, so you need to be clear with what are the skill sets are available with your team member to finalize again those domains. You need to be discussed with yourself among your team members to finalize the project domain. And last one is the passion. Though you may not understood, or if there is a demand for, let's take an example, Android app development, but none of you are able to create Android application. So for the placement or for your the advancement in the technical part, you need to have the passion in you, to passion for the learning, which will be lead to the success. So next we'll start with the discussion of one by one project domains here. Nowadays we are running almost all our activities through Android app available in our smartphones. Like for shopping, we are having the applications of Amazon, Flipkart. For sharing of messages, we have WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. For enjoyment, we are having different applications in our mobile. To understand this, the prerequisite is one should know about the basics of Java programming. If you want to develop Android app, so you have to be keen with the basics of Java programming. Here some of the links are mentioned where you can learn those things, and some of the sample project titles, very basic project titles, are listed here. Mobile based attendance system, because every now and then your online sessions are being conducted, right? So to maintain your attendance again plays a crucial task. For that you can go with this app. There is other Android tourist guide project, mobile application for your notifications. Okay, so these are some of the Android app developments. Now we are looking for the next domain as Internet of Things. Here we are taking about the smart city project. Look as a big project. Think again, or you can just give a thought of minute. Is it that big project? If we as a computer or IT engineer start implementing IoT at our own home, what we are doing, we are starting implementing IoT in our own home, it will be automatically leads to a smart city, because ultimately if the home belonging to the city are smarts, so ultimately it will be treated as smart city. For this we need to grow with Internet of Things. Internet of Things refers to the scenario where the network connectivity and computing capability extend to objects, sensors, examples like smartwatch, then smart fridge and other applications. Learning links are available here. You can go through it. There are certain, again we having sample projects, smart garbage monitoring system, water quality monitoring system, lab automation system. Okay, so we'll start the next domain, artificial intelligence and machine learning. The buzzword nowadays into IT industry is AI and ML. That means artificial intelligence and machine learning. How many of you have seen the movie Iron Man? Maybe you like the character Jarvis from the movie, right? So which is the best example of your artificial intelligence? For the simplicity, we can say that by observing the intelligence of living things and fit into some model, it will be treated as the artificial intelligence. So to learn those things, the links are provided here. Then there are certain sample projects that we have listed out here. The college inquiry chat box, as like of your Google Assistant. If you ask Google Assistant, so it will, based on the data available with it, it will give response back to you. That is what a chatbot application. Artificial intelligence in healthcare, again in the tourist system. So next we'll go for the networking. Again, it plays a vital role in the project selection, project domain selection. In the networking, it starts with the basic topology, that is underlying structure for the communication. It provides the high end connectivity for the users. Again, networking domain is broadly divided into two categories, two, you can say, major categories: wireless and wired network. So there are certain challenges with wireless network as well as the wired network. With this, these are some of the learning links available for the networking domain. Then again, we have listed some of the sample project topics under networking. Next, we will talk about now image processing. Image processing is a method to perform some operation on an image in order to get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. It is a type of signal processing in which input is an image and output may be the image or the features which are listed out. Okay, so it is broadly categorized into two parts: analog image processing and digital image processing. Analog image processing can be used for the hard copies like printouts and photographs. The image analysis uses various fundamentals of interpretation while using these visual techniques. The digital image processing techniques help in the manipulation of digital image by using the computer systems. Okay, there are main three phases of the data have to undergo. The first one is pre-processing, then enhancement, and display the information extraction. For this, you may have seen the example of the third umpire decision in cricket, right? It goes to black and white for checking whether ball has touched to your bat or not. Okay, if the ball has touched to the bat, it will show a white spot on your bat, right? It is nothing but the application of your image processing. And these are some of the listed sample project topic for the image processing. Lastly, we are going to talk about the web development. Okay, the web development is work involved in developing a website for the internet, or you can say intranet, in a private network. Web development can ranges from developing a simple single static page of plain text to complex web-based internet applications, or you can treat as a web apps, and a more complex list of tasks to the which web development commonly refers may include web engineering, web design, web content development, client side or server side scripting, web servers, and network security configurations. Also, this web development is used for developing e-commerce website. There are certain links to learn these tags related with web technology or the website development. Here you can develop your personal website which will be a showcase for the recruiter. Again, it will be add one feather into your resume. You can go for designing a website for a shop which is nearby you, or like any kind of a web portal like Atithi Tracker which track the COVID-19 patient. Okay, So this is related with the project domains, various project domains, basic project domain where one should be focused on. Now the next thing is, obviously it will come into your mind how it is possible when you are going to when you are going for when you are going for selecting or getting the data or information related your project. Always we are going to think how it is possible. So there is a one quote: because a thing seems difficult for you, do not think it is impossible for everyone to accomplish. That means if you are only started thinking and doing nothing towards achieving the target, definitely it will never lead to the success. To make it as a success, at least we need to take a single step. What are the hurdles are there, how it is possible? That means you are facing some hurdle, and what is that first hurdle? I don't know anything about it, neither I'm not aware about all those 7 basic project domains that we have discussed here, right? But as per the curriculum, we need to submit the project, or for our placement we need to submit a project, or we need to explain our project in detail. Now again, how to start? So by considering the basic case, as you don't know about anything, right? There are learning material available over internet. So I have provided the links of the same here. So by having those links, by getting those data over internet, you can at least take a single step. The single step is always leading to a target, to achieve the target. So again, these are some of the courses listed out here. The Coursera, Udemy, Udacity, they are providing a free of cost courses during this COVID pandemic. So one should take a benefit of it. So some of the courses are listed out here for the Android, then IoT, then AI or machine learning in the networking fields, and for image processing and web development. Still, if you have any doubts, you can be in touch with me in a following email address. Remember, this project is playing a very important role for your career updation. Okay, so with this we'll stop today. Thank you for the day.